Hello friends, welcome to the channel Law and Government Job Exam Cluster. Today in this video we are going to discuss the various vacancies available for law graduate, law postgraduate in the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, that is Indian Institute of Corporate Affairs. Before going further, I would request you to kindly subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon and like button. Also post your comment and queries in the comment section. It is mentioned that all the details of eligibility, condition, remuneration, terms, etc. can be downloaded from the website iica.nic.in. An online interview is being conducted on every Wednesday, and these are the various contractual positions in Indian Institute of Corporate Affairs. An interested and eligible candidate can forward their CVs at gauri.iica@gmail.com. What are the vacancies? First is Senior Research Associate, 1 vacancy in the field of Center for Insolvency and Bankruptcy, contractual, and the monthly consolidated fees is 60,000 to 80,000. Fellow 1, forms of Indian Regulator FOIR, again contractual, the salary would be 50,000 per month. Research Associate, 1 post, research project on cross country comparison of directors in Twilight Zone A leximetric analysis under IBBI research initiative, project based only for a period of 6 months. The fees is the salary is 15,000 per month. Project Associate Assistant, 2 post, National CSR Awards, contractual, 20,000 per month is the salary. For Senior Research Associate, CIAB, the essential qualification requirement is LLB, preferably LLM and or NET qualification with relevant experience of 3 years in the field of prior research experience and published work in the field of insolvency and commercial law. For Fellow FOIR, Bachelor of Law, Masters of Business Management, postgraduate degree in Social Science, LLM, other relevant field, and with minimum 2 years post-qualification experience in conducting social science research with proven knowledge of qualitative and quantitative research, and desirable is prior work experience in the field of work related to government regulators. Skill set is also given and activities are also given. For the Research Associate IBBI project, qualification is LLB complete or pursuing. Experience should be in legal research, economic and political, desirable but not mandatory, and work responsibilities are also given. Project assistants in National CSR Award, graduate in any discipline, minimum 1 to 3 years having extensive knowledge of working with MS Word, particularly MS Excel, and roles and skills are already given. The remuneration are also given. There is no TADA which will be paid when you will be going for the interview. It is very clearly mentioned no other allowances will be payable. However, if the person travel out of the headquarters, he will be entitled to TADA as admissible. The period of engagement would be initially for the period of 6 months or 1 year, which may be at the discretion of the competent authority, be either extended or curtailed depending on performance and requirement. Selection procedure: on the basis of a written test, interview of a selection committee constituted for the purpose. No TA will be provided for the interview, and the application form is already given as an annexure 2. You have to fill this online application form and send it along with your annexures to the mail ID mentioned above, that is gauri.iica@gmail.com. And the online interviews will be conducted every Wednesday, so you can apply today, tomorrow, anytime you want to, and accordingly your interview would be lined up. So whosoever is eligible and is interested can apply for these posts. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this channel. Have a nice day.